Hi, checking. Okay, thank you. I think we all can hear you. A very happy morning to all of you, and thank you, Pratik, for inviting me for this session. Uh, Today is 26th April, and it's also World Intellectual Property Day. Before people start joining, let me just brief introduction of myself. My name is Rajiv Tulpur. I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. I did my master's from US, and presently I'm into business of electrical switchgear atoms. I also have a passion wherein I have written few books. The first, I think, we started with this Dawat, where this is a collection of books of recipes. This was followed by a book on shairis, where we picked up few interesting shairis and compiled them, and this is a remix shairi. This was followed by our signature book, which is Party Games, and we have compiled a lot of party games in this. The latest in this edition is this Internet Funda. This is a beautiful book, which is a collection of beautiful stories on internet, and you like it, this book. After that, I have started compiling, doing something with the playing cards, where the playing cards, the portion inside the playing cards, I'm trying to use it as an entertainment and an educational device, wherein you can see different themes, as you can see here, spices in between, or you can see a playing cards with puzzles in between. So there are playing cards, 52 playing cards, and you'll have 52 puzzles. So right, that I'm now developing different kinds of different themes. Recently, I have launched this flashcards, which are titled "Ignite the Creativity Within." Now, these flashcards have various kinds of activities which will help you develop your creativity. And this creativity, when I was doing this cards, I think the liking for this subject, creativity, came in. So, friends, today I'm live on Facebook, thanks to Pratik and thanks to Granth. Granth is having the sessions, three sessions, as a part of World Book Day. Before I start, let me wish you greetings of Akshaya Tritiya, and let's start. If you have a paper and a pen, it would be a great help to all of you. And for next 45 minutes to 50 minutes, I will share my views on what creativity is. So if you are ready, friends, let's begin. During this lockdown time, I've been discussing with a lot of friends and asking them what is that they're doing. And everyone told me that they have joined the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp University, and they're forwarding messages from here and there. As soon as they get the message, they forward it, and they are doing this forward in this lockdown time. But believe me, friends, there are a lot of beautiful messages which are getting transmitted. Just on the Earth Day, there was a message which said that Earth is under maintenance. Please wait. The air and water are getting corrected. There was a message, a grand opening soon. One message which caught my attention, and I hope you will like that message. It said that there was something like BC, before Christ. There was something like BC, the era which was before Christ, and there was something which is after Christ. And the message went on saying that the whole definition of BC is no longer before Christ, but it is before Corona, and then something will be after Corona. Yes, friends. Whether you like it or not, whether you believe it or not, or whether you accept it or not, the world around us is going to change forever. It's going to change minimum 180 degrees for you and me and everyone. Just the other day, I was hearing a top US scientist. His name is Anthony Fauci, and he was along with President Trump, and he said that we should be forgetting doing shake hands. And suddenly, friends, the whole society which was contact based, is now going to change into contactless culture. पहले हम जब भी मिलते थे तो गले ही मिलते थे. When we used to meet our friends, this was a very popular saying that whenever we used to meet, हम गले ही मिलते हैं. But now, जरा दूर रहना, कुछ हो गया तो फिर ना कहना. This is what has happened, friends. Till yesterday, Zoom was just a name of a Zoom Barabar song, or it was just a name of a TV channel. But today, Zoom has become a status symbol. People take a lot of pride in saying that I am on a team, I am on a Zoom, and this is what has happened. If we have to survive this, if we have to survive the post-corona future, there are two things minimum I would like to advise you to do. One is that what our Prime Minister has always been advocating, that is social distancing. And he rightly said that we should be physically separate but emotionally connected. As he rightly said, we should be physically separate but emotionally connected. And one suggestion from my side, if we have to really come out of this post-corona future, you should be creative. You should be creative. Then what is this creativity? You will ask me this question. And on the type box, if I have to ask you, when you hear this word called creativity, if you can just punch in what creativity means to you, I'll appreciate it. Creativity means for various people different things. So if I have to ask you what creativity, if you hear this word, अगर आपने creativity ये नाम सुना है, तो आपके ध्यान में क्या आ जाता है? Yeah, right? It's something different, okay? It's something unique, new things, okay? But there's one definition of creativity. एक definition मैं आपसे share करना चाहता हूँ. Creativity is the ability to find multiple solutions to a problem. Again, creativity is the ability to find multiple solutions to a problem. यही देखिए एक problem है. And there is one type of people who said that नहीं एक ही solution. And there is one set of people who will say that एक नहीं यार 5, 6, 7, 10 solutions है. Let's take this with respect to a practical example. Now when Corona came, we all had to, when people were traveling in the lift, they were using fingers to press their floor, and then there was a chance that these fingers would just touch some of our face, and that was a problem. And then society meetings were held, and then those अतृप्त आत्मे so called लिफ्ट आज से बाद बंद करेंगे. One फरमान निकाल देते हैं कि लिफ्ट आज के बाद बंद करेंगे. But there were some people who also thought that can something else be done? And then they came up with solutions, say why not use gloves? Maybe the gloves had its problem, so then someone suggested why not use a pen? By the pen can I just point out my floor? If pen is not there, then someone suggested why not use a tooth pin? And then there was an IT guy. This IT guy said that why this? Let's have a QR code. I just press the QR code and I'm allowed to go to my floor. And then there was someone who also said, मेरे पास Alexa है ना. So there's two contrast thing. There are some people who will feel that a problem is existing and there's only one or two solutions. And there are few people who will say that there are multiple solutions to the same problem. If I have to give you another example, the mask when they came, the N95 mask, those were like in shortage and people were buying at premium. And then suddenly a lot of videos started flowing, which in this WhatsApp University, which you and me are a part of it. And then they started showing the handkerchief method. Then they were using dupattas. I saw a wonderful video where they were using old clothes, the thigh portion, and they were cutting it and making out into a beautiful mask. And then they also had one hairband with a plastic shield in front of it. And the latest which video I saw, they just had a socks. They cut the two portion and then they had this punch with this rubber band. So many beautiful solutions. They didn't stop it because just yesterday, one solution which came to one WhatsApp which came, they said that they are selling shirts with the similar type of mask. So friends, the person who is able to generate multiple solutions to a problem is relatively more creative than the other. So for next say 40 minutes, we will discuss what this creativity is and whether or not we can be more creative than what we are. Before going ahead, let me tell you about some myths. क्रिएटिविटी के बारे में बहुत से myths हैं जो मैं आप थोड़ा सा क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. The first myth is lot of people feel that creativity should be in the DNA. मेरे खानदान में कोई तो क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता तो लोग अभिषेक बच्चन के भी पिक्चर देखते थे या ईशा देवल का डांस देखने के लिए जाते थे या रोहन गावस्कर would have been the icon for today. There is nothing wrong in Abhishek, Isha and Rohan. The only thing is that it is only 15 to 20% of the genes which come down hierarchy through our parents. So remaining 80% is which you and me have to build on. So the myth of it has to be in DNA, no friends. पूरे खानदान में कोई भी क्रिएटिव नहीं रहेगा तो आप क्रिएटिव बन सकते हैं. The second point, the second myth I want to say is that creativity is always said to be very costly. बहुत महंगा है. It requires a lot of investment. But really not, sir. There was a video which a doctor showed, because doctors and all the support staff, they have a fear that if they are touching with some fingers and the fingers touch the face and they will have a problem. And this doctor suggested a fundu idea. He suggested that on the elbow, let's have a white colored tape. He stuck a 2 rupees ka tape hai, the tape ke. So whenever you bend the hand, the signal goes to your mind that if I bend the hand, there is a pain. And this pain says that don't touch the hands. Don't touch the face with your hands. Sir, 2 rupees ki baat hai. Or shayad it will be free also. So remember, creativity is not costly. The third myth, a lot of people feel that creativity is mera kaam nahi, it is for the really highly educated people and experienced people. Camlin had a competition where a 4th standard girl gave a beautiful solution for the problem of staples. She said that a lot of time we staple and the pins get over and there is a lot of panic when kidhar hai pins. And then the girl suggested that wo pin khatam hone ke pehle can we have a red color at the end of that? So as we staple the last red color will send a signal, bhaiya, time to refill. So friends, a 4th standard student can give a beautiful solution which is workable and practical. So you need not be highly educated, nor you feel that you should have a lot of experience. So this also is a myth. And the last myth which I would like to tell you is about, a lot of people feel that creativity is only with the products. It is not true, friends. Creativity is with products as well as services. जैसे GST आने के बाद, the whole definition has got changed. The creativity is no longer with the products, but creativity is with respect to the goods and services. And believe me, take my word, creativity in service will play the most important part post-corona. So all these 4 myths, I just want to reiterate, saying that it need not be आपके खानदान में creativity, कोई creative नहीं तो no problem. It is not costly. ये जुगाड़ से, these are simple जुगाड़ which you and me were doing when we were kids. It need not be, you should not be very highly educated or experienced. Creativity can happen with all age group of people, and creativity is also. फिर ये creativity है क्या? You'll ask me, what is this creativity about? Creativity is nothing but a skill. It is not a talent. Talent is God gifted. Talent ऊपर से आ जाता है. Creativity is a skill. And what is a skill? Skill is something which you and me can learn. Skill is something which you and me can learn. जैसे हम लोग पैदा हुए, we did not start cycling the first day, right? There was someone who helped us with it. कुछ ने हमको पकड़ा, साइकिल सिखाया कैसे करने का. So this is what we used to do. तो ये सीखा हमने. Similar is to the writing, sir. अगर हमने राइटिंग किया तो ऐसे नहीं कि जब से हम पैदा हुए उसी दिन हम लिखना चालू किए. Similar is the way with Facebook Live. Till last week, I was not knowing it. This was Pratik who helped me out. कि ऐसा करो, वैसा करो. It had some minor glitch in start, but then we all are learn, and I'm sure you must be able to see me as I'm speaking. So what the point I wanted to say, that creativity is a skill, and skill is something which can be learned, which can be practiced, which can be rehearsed, at the same time mastered. So let's all today discuss some tools how you can master this solution. Let's see how we can do this. एक छोटा सा आगे जाने के पहले आई टॉक टू अबाउट अवर ब्रेन. डोंट वरी अबाउट द साइज, इट्स ऑलरेडी देअर विथ यू अँड मी. लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल से दॅट, माझी आजी म्हणायची की मेंदू आहे कुठंतरी आहे, डोक्यात आहे, गुडघ्यात आहे किंवा अंगठ्यात आहे. सो वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइज ऑफ द ब्रेन, बट दे ऑल से दॅट द ब्रेन इज डिवायडेड इंटू टू पार्ट्स. They all say that the brain is divided into two parts, the left part and the right part. The left part is all about formulas, our statistics, profit, loss, all these statistical things, the Pythagoras theorem and everything is stored in the left part. Whereas in the right portion, it's all about music, it's all about paint, it's all about singing, it's all about colors. But remember what I'm going to say right now. As we grow, the right side is left behind. This is the sad part. The right side, what is the right side? It is all about colors, music, painting, everything about creative things. As we grow, because we are now into a rat race of only one right answer. And in the process, we leave back the right brain. My request to all of you, if you have to be creative, the first thing is that you should be keeping your right brain active. I'm going to make you a statement, see if you agree with it. अगर आप अंदर से शांत हैं तो ही आप बाहर से शांत हो सकते हैं. If you are at peace with within, then only you can be peace with the outside world. And the fastest and the cheapest and the easiest method to be at the peace within is meditation. I'm sure all of you must be doing meditation in this era where post corona and this corona time. But I have a simple meditation process. My humble request to all of you, just close your eyes. I'm not going to run away. I have about 40 more minutes to go. I'm not going to run away, but I'm going to tell you a new method of meditation which is called as corona meditation. Corona. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Take a breathe in. Slowly breathe in. And slowly breathe out. As you breathe in, say in your own mind that I will be physically active. As you take it, breathe in. Say for yourself that I will be physically active. And as you breathe out, say for yourself, I will be mentally relaxed. Let's do it for 2-3 times. Breathe in. I'll be physically active. And as you breathe out, I'll be mentally relaxed. One more time. I'll be physically active. And I'll be mentally relaxed. Open your eyes. शाहरुख खान ने 70 मिनट मांगे थे चकते में. I'm going to ask you 10 minutes of your life, friends. ये 10 मिनट आपको क्या करने का है? Thus you have to be with you. In corporate world today, there is something which is called as my time, Maza time. And this time is not with the laptop, not with your loved ones, anything. This time you have to be with yourself, just meditating, breathing. This is what you will have to do. And don't tell me you don't get 10 minutes of your time. अगर 10 मिनट नहीं मिला तो टॉयलेट में ज्यादा बैठिए, लेकिन allow that 10 minutes to you, because creativity is directly proportional to the time you meditate, friends. अगर आपको creative बनना है तो meditation जरूर करो, every day करो, minimum 10 मिनट से start करो. Let's get ahead. Like I said, creative बनने के लिए you will have to be, that right brain has to be. So child is one state of our process where child is always super creative because his right brain is active. वो खेलता है, दौड़ता है, यहाँ जाता है, पेंट करता है, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहता है. And he's so not bothered about वो गाना गाएगा, ऐसा ही. So for you and me to be creative, we will have to be like a child. I'm going to give you a small activity. अगर आपके पास पेन और पेपर है, या just I'm going to tell you to do something. So please listen to this and do it as fast as possible. What you have to do is draw a triangle. Yeah. If you don't have a pen, at least imagine that you are drawing a triangle in your mind. How will you draw? Yeah, if you've done it, if I can get some yes, so I can proceed. Draw a triangle as fast as possible. आपको triangle draw करने का है. And friends, How many of you would have drawn something like this? Most of you. Whenever we are told to do something, what did I tell you? I just told you to draw a triangle. And then, is there not any other triangle than the equilateral triangle? We have learned the right angle triangle, we have done the obtuse angle triangle. There are so many triangles, but when a triangle is told by a professor or some person, अपने दिमाग में जो first चीज आ जाती है ना कि वो तो it has to be an equilateral triangle. So this is a creativity course. Can we think of something else? I had a student who said he just draw a line. He just draw a line and he said ये मेरा triangle है. वो क्या बोला? वो मेरा ट्रायंगल है सर. वो बोलता है ऊपर से देखिए सर मेरा ट्रायंगल नीचे है, ऊपर से आपको खाली एक लाइन दिखाई देगी. मेरा ट्रायंगल 3 डायमेंशनल है सर. 3 डायमेंशनल. You only are looking 1 dimension. This 3 dimensional. Is he wrong, sir? No, that's also a triangle. And then there were smart students which I encountered. वो बोलते हैं there are triangles like Jaya, Amitabh and Rekha. Right? There are triangles like manufacturer, distributor and say consumers. There are triangles like author, publisher and a reader. In creativity, please do not restrict to those equilateral triangles. अगर मैंने आपको बोला एक drawing निकालो, a scenery का drawing निकालो, I am sure 90% or more than 100% you would draw these two mountains and एक छोटा सा sun या moon रहेगा, and then it will have a छोटी सी झोपड़ी असेल and छोटा सा नदी. And then the only difference एक थोडे से 2 पक्षी असतील कुठेतरी आणि कुठेतरी 3 पक्षी असतील. Why? जगात असे काही सीन्स नाही आहेत का की फक्त तेच सोडून आहेत का? Think, can I do something? Be a child and be as imaginative as possible. Being a child is not being childish, sir. It is childlike. If you have to improve your creativity, be childlike and not childish. Let's go ahead. The next thing, if you have to be creative, is to do something different. आज के दिन, can I request you to use, if you are a right hand person, use your left hand to write your name. चलो कर लीजिए सर, कर लीजिए सर. आपका खुद का नाम, write it with your left hand. See if you can do it. So you can see how you can jumble with the J's and the D's. तो B लिखेंगे या D लिखेंगे. या आज आप ऐसा करो, if you are a right hand, अभी इसके सेशन के बाद आप जब खाना खाओगे तो आप आज लेफ्ट हैंड से ट्राई करो सर. Believe me, the era which we are going to come after Corona, which will be a totally different era. What we used to do before, public बोलेगा 2 महीना हो गया सर, ये 2 महीने पहले की बात है, अभी ये नहीं चलेगा. अभी touch me not है. The culture which you and me will be going is the touch me not culture. You won't believe tomorrow it will be the era of drones and robots, sir. The drones will deliver you the books, whereas as you sip your coffee, the robots will come and read a book to you. So really, even the parents and the grandparents may not be needed even to read the books. Such will be a change post-corona. So learn to do things differently, sir. थोड़ा सा हटके करना जरूरी है. There's one more example which I wanted to give you, because this thinking has not to be different. It has to be really out of the box. This thinking has to be really out of the box. And then this out of the box के लिए मैं कोई छोटा सा example देता हूँ. Suppose मेरे हाथ में एक wooden block है. See, I have a wooden block in my hand, and किसी कारण वो wooden block गिर गया, मेरे हाथ से गिर गया. I want all of you to think, and write if you want to write on the chat box कि ये अगर मेरे हाथ से किसी कारण गिर गया तो what are the possibilities that can happen? क्या हो सकता है अगर हाथ से, very simple thing, I am holding a wooden block in my hand and something happens and thus the block falls down. Yeah, can I have something on this screen as a chat कि क्या हो सकता, what are the possibilities? Right, it will break. Okay, आवाज आएगा. Yeah, it will fall. अगर the tile will break. Yeah, something else. What else can happen if a block falls? Okay, someone will catch. Yeah, why not? That's also a possibility. Oh, उसके टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाएंगे. Okay, brilliant. Can I have someone more? Oh, my hand will be relaxed. Okay, जो I'm holding it so it will be relaxed. But pause for a minute. ये सब चीजें हम लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, it with one possible assumption, and that assumption प्रतीक भाई ने जैसे rightly chat पे डाला है, we are assuming that we are on the land, sir. और लैंड होने के कारण एक ग्रेविटी बाबा करके है, वो सबको खींच रहा है. in creativity, we should not live with this assumption. Had I been in water, the same block क्या होता था? Had I been in space, उसी block का क्या होता था? This block would have got floated. So if you have to really think completely, think of all the possible solutions which can happen. अगर आप scenarios ये सभी करेंगे तो आपके जो solutions आ जाएंगे वो सही आ जाएंगे and you will be able to give a right solution to the problem. My point over here is, we never have ever imagined in our life that if last 45 days the whole world will be, एक घर नहीं है, एक कम्युनिटी नहीं है, एक गांव नहीं है दोस्तों, पूरा वर्ल्ड shut है. There are no flights, no planes, nothing is happening. Ever we have imagined that? So whenever you are sitting and discussing something, think of all the possibilities. Think really out of the box. Out of the box is thinking is something. अगर आपके प्रोफेशन में आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, go out in some other place. Go out and talk to your competitors. Go out to talk to your other industries, how they have addressed this problem. You will better get beautiful results, sir. If you want to think differently, the easiest way is to use your 5 senses. And also the 6th one, which is the most uncommon. Also the 6th one, which is the most uncommon. Travel कीजिए, बात कीजिए सब लोगों से. अगर आपको क्रिएटिव बनना का है, आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग की जरूरत है, तो आई विल गिव यू द सिंपलेस्ट एंड द इजीएस्ट टूल. जानना चाहते हो क्या करने का? या आज के लिए या आज के बाद, डू वॉच मैक्सिमम एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स. सो द मोस्ट क्रिएटिव and the most powerful tool if you want to be creative is watching advertisements. सर एक 15 सेकंड में, 15 या 30 सेकंड में आपके खीसे में से छोटा या बड़ा गांधी को निकाल देता है. सर 15 सेकंड में आपके खीसे से वो छोटा या बड़ा गांधी निकाल देता है. Such is the power of advertising. So if at all you have to be a student of creativity, आज एक दिन के लिए मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, सबके लिए मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, करोगे सर? My request to you is, आज एक दिन के लिए आप खाली एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखिए, कोई भी सीरियल मत देखिए. क्यों की सास को क्यों गुस्सा, आने दो उसको गुस्सा, लेकिन आप खाली उसको एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखिए एंड यू विल सी दैट आप कितने क्रिएटिव हो गए. एक टूल मैं आपके लिए बोलना चाहता हूं, and this tool is very useful and very relevant to all of us. Thank you for all the comments which are coming. Please do keep this comment, keep it, because it's very strange for someone to talk to a screen and not getting feedback as to this. But I'm sure if you want to talk to something on the chat, do keep it. Whenever I get a chance, I will look into it. Coming back to the next tool, which is a very important and a very easy tool to become creative. This tool is called as alternative uses. Suppose I'm using a pen and किसी कारण वो पेन में से इंक खत्म हो गया है, and then the obvious thing is you would throw it out. But मेरे को ये throw नहीं करने का, because this pen is very precious to me. I have a lot of memories to this. So can I have you typing on the screen, on the chat, मेरे को ये पेन फेंकने का नहीं है. What is that alternative use I can do with the pen? ये पेन का मैं alternative use क्या कर सकता हूँ? Can I have someone typing on the chat please कि ये पेन मेरे को फेंकने का नहीं है? Think, sir. Think. Yeah, there are a lot of things we can do. मेरे को फेंकने का नहीं, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Okay, the obvious is I can change the refill, right? Or keep it as a souvenir, because see, my emotions are attached, so I'll keep it as a souvenir. Or I can use it to poke. Or I can play a dart game also. I can just throw it and play a dart game. Or I can use it to scratch my back. Yeah, I can use it to scratch my back also. Or I can use to play the sword fight also. Right? I can use it in my, as a hairband or something. Okay? Make holes. Yeah, I can make holes. Kadi gala जैसे holes करू शकतो. Right, right. I can make it as a jewelry. Wonderful. I can keep it as a, what Nipun says, I can keep showpiece. Kavita says I can write a ribbon. Friends, if you want to be creative, आज के बाद, what is that alternative use I can do? ये सोचने का है. I'll give you a beautiful example. ये राखी के दौरान हुआ था, and I came across one beautiful Rakhi which was saying that please don't throw this, plant it. See the thought process going behind. एक राखी इज सच अ सेक्रेट थ्रेड कि एक दिन के बाद हम लोग सब फेंक देते हैं वो राखी. एंड दैट राखी said that don't throw the Rakhi, plant it. The Rakhi had a seed of Rakhi had a झेंडूचं त्याचा seed होता त्याच्यामध्ये, and they said that after the Rakhi Purnima go and plant the Rakhi plant and then राखी ते दसऱ्यापर्यंत ते झेंडूचं फूल येईल आणि तुम्हाला झेंडूचं फूल वापरायला मिळेल. Such a novel idea, sir. ₹5 की राखी थी, sir. With this idea, they were earning 55 rupees for that, sir. A brilliant idea can give you a lot of things. From the trash you can come up to the treasures. Perhaps when you use this principle कि आज के बाद whatever I am going to throw, I'll just pause. अभी कोरोना के टाइम में क्या हो रहा है, lot of people, lot of men are at house and वो कुछ करना चाहते हैं, so वो ड्रॉअर खोलेंगे, ये खोलेंगे और जो कुछ नहीं चाहिए वो फेंकेंगे. But then my request to all these new people who are into this aura auri factor, please pause. अगर जो कुछ दिखा आपको, can I use it for something else, sir? People are using cardboards to make school bags. People are using thrown away flowers to make as fertilizers. Think whether you can make a treasure out of the trash. Beautiful tool to become creative, sir. So आज के बाद एक ही याद रखने का है, सर, कुछ चीजें फेंकने की नहीं है. फेंकने पहले रुको, stop. Can I do something else with it? आपण पोळ्या सुद्धा काल राहताना, I will compliment all the ladies who are doing in all the houses. My house also it happens. पोळीचे आपण रोल करतो, फोडणीची पोळी करतो, आपण खूप काही गोष्टी करतो. एवढंच नाही तर perhaps आपण कुठेतरी कोणातरी देतो, नाहीतर आपण पक्ष्यांकरता ठेवतो. There are so many different things the ladies of our house have always been doing it. I think this will improve your creativity. Now there are 2-3 sessions, as this session is related to authors and people who are liking आपण ग्रंथ बरोबर आहोत आणि ग्रंथ is something which, thank you Mena, recycling is a good option to refill lands. I'm going to tell you 2 more tools which will be really helpful for people who want to write something or want to express their feelings. The first one, this is called as random association tool. It's very simple. बहुत बार क्या होता है, 3 रैंडम चीजें रहती है and we need one pivot which will hold all the 3 together. एक चीज की जरूरत रहती है कि ये चीज तीनों को जो बाइंड करेंगे वो चीज की जरूरत रहेगी. For example, I'll give you 3 words. Suppose the 3 words are cottage, Swiss and cake. Cottage, Swiss and cake. Now, can you find out one word which will connect all those 3? Let me give you the answer. A cheese can be the one word because cottage cheese can be the answer, Swiss cheese and cheesecake. Similarly, you have 3 friends and you want to looking for, agar wo तीनों friends के, like I have born in Solapur, so Solapur can be a one connect which can connect. Their professions might be different, their things might be different, but one connect, that where you were born, can be a one binding factor. Just for fun, I'll give you 2 more examples as how you can connect 3 relatively distinct, relatively unknown things: night, wrist and stop. Night, wrist and stop. Perhaps watch can be one word: night watch, wrist watch, stop watch. So this word can be used. This technique is brilliant if you have 3-4 different things, and if you can connect them, you can be, you can come up with good things. There are 3 characters in your story and you want to connect them through something. I think this can be this. Neelaji has said creativity reduces, recycles and reuse 3R. Thank you. Thank you for all your contributions. Keep them coming. I'm going to tell you a brilliant tool. Listen to this tool and you will really freak out. From today, you will be a writer immediately. This tool is, this is a simple block which I had brought. ये कोई high funda नहीं है, sir. These are, what this is just cubes. Now these are 9 cubes, and as these cubes are, they have 9 cubes में every cube has 6 sides and 6 sides have pictures on that. 6 sides में उसके pictures है. So आपको क्या करने का है? Just roll the dice and throw it, and वो pictures लगा के weave a story such a way that these words are a part of your story. Very simple. Don't worry if you don't have this 4 dice. You can make a dice for yourself. एक dice paper का करके उसको paint कर सकते हैं. और वो भी अगर नहीं है तो you can have flashcards with different pictures on it and randomly pick those flashcards. Keep them in a line and think of a story. I will give you an example. See, I have about 5. Let me keep 5 of these, and the pictures are, say, aeroplane, and the next picture is a mobile. The third is of a chocolate. The fourth is of a cloud, and fifth is of a bulb. So if I had to weave a story, I'm going to attempt it, and that's what you could also do it in numerous ways. The story which I'm going to attempt, the first word is aeroplane, mobile, chocolate, cloud and bulb, and I may attempt it in this way. As soon as the aeroplane took off, we were told to shut off the mobile. Aeroplane and the mobile, 2 words. As soon as the aeroplane took off, we were instructed to switch off our mobiles. The third word is chocolate, the fourth is cloud, and fifth is bulb. The air hostess served us with my best delicacy, chocolate. As we were looking outside the window, we could see the clouds. The fourth word was the cloud. Clouds floating down, and we heard the captain saying that it's time to sleep, so switch off your bulbs. So this makes meanings, right? So you can weave a story out of these pictures, and this you can even change the order. Suppose I change the order saying that chocolate, I get it in number 1. And the same story I can say that there was a birthday and the chocolate was used to make a cake of a shape of an aeroplane and a mobile, and the story can be totally different. Folks, the mathematicians on this broadcast, they will know that the mathematicians on the broadcast, there's Kavita saying that this cube is ekdam simple. This has just simple cubes and simple pictures on it, and you could make it out of the paper also and just roll it. एक छोटा सा रोल करके जो कुछ पिक्चर्स आ जाते हैं वो पिक्चर्स कभी 3 लीजिए कभी 4, एकदम 9 मत लीजिए, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. 5, 7, 9 लेके करिए, and you could weave a beautiful story, sir. So this is what a budding artist, a budding person who would like to write can use. I have last 10 minutes, and as I promised you earlier, that creativity is no longer with respect to only products, it's also with the service. I'm going to give you the best tool which you could use if you want to improve your creativity. Please write down this formula which I'm going to tell you. This formula is about wow. Wow, I will explain you wow, see if you can get it. Wow is equal to, write experience above and below numerator, write expectations. I'll tell you what the formula is and what does this mean. This tool is useful if you want to improve creativity in the field of service. मैं इसका एग्जाम्पल दे के आपको ये फॉर्मूला बता. I'm sure you must have heard wow is equal to experience is in your numerator and denominator is expectations. We all travel, right? Or we all used to travel. अभी travel कर नहीं सकते हैं, but शायद post corona अपन travel कर पाएंगे. So earlier when we used to travel, आप बोलते थे कि we all would be saying that I would like to book a place in a hotel. मेरे hotel में क्या है, मेरे को clean bed चाहिए, and मेरे को क्या चाहिए, मेरे को hot water चाहिए, and maybe I need a Wi-Fi because that's a must. I need to send a lot of these things. So what were the expectations I had before going to the hotel? 3 things: clean room, hot water, and Wi-Fi. I go to that hotel, I check in, and I realize that there is no Wi-Fi there. So out of the 3 things, he didn't have Wi-Fi. Next day morning when I woke up, ठंडी है. फिर भी he said that नहीं साहब गीजर बंद है. So मेरे पास 3 ही expectations थे, and my experience में क्या मिला, मेरे को खाली clean bed मिला, ना मेरे को Wi-Fi मिला, ना मेरे को hot water मिला. So my wow formula is 1/3. Believe me that wow is less than 1. Take my word, friends. If you have the formula for wow is, I think the formula for wow is this. अभी क्या हुआ, my experience is 1/3. So 1 experience क्या था, एक ही था, whereas my expectation was 3. अगर any service industry or any person is will give a wow factor of less than 1 to a customer. Take my word, वो कस्टमर बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा, और वो आएगा भी नहीं और 10 लोगों को बोल के जाएगा कि यहाँ मत जाइए, कहीं एल्स भी जाइए सर. So the same experience, I go to another hotel and then I have the same 3 expectations. I need a clean bed, I need a hot water, I need a Wi-Fi, and I go there and I find a fruit basket there, and then I find a coupon that आज हमारा कुछ anniversary है, you are invited for a free dinner in the evening, and then I see a tub bath, खाली hot water नहीं, मेरे पास tub bath है, उसके लिए shower massage shower भी लगा है. और उतना ही नहीं, वो जाते जाते person tells me that sir आपको अगर जाने का है तो मैं स्टेशन पे या एयरपोर्ट पे छोड़ दूं. My experience in that hotel, about 6-7 things is my real experience, where my expectation was only 3. Here my wow becomes that 6 divided by 3, wow becomes 2 friends. I become his messenger sir, I become his the most loyal customer for him. मैं इतना ही लॉयल भी नहीं बनता हूँ, आई बिकम उसका फुकट का एडवर्टाइजमेंट चालू करता हूँ सर. अगर आप छुट्टियों में कहाँ जाएंगे, महाबलेश्वर कहाँ जाएंगे सर, उधर जा सकते हैं, वो होटल में जा सकते हैं, उधर आपको बढ़िया ही लगेगा सर. Same is the case with the authors. So there is a lot of expectations about an author when he writes. If at all you are able to exceed the expectations of your readers, if at all you are able to exceed the expectations of your readers, then only you will succeed, sir. Let your story be have more twist and turn. Let that part be the climax would be at the end of that. So do something this is. My humble request to all of you. If you have to survive the post-corona effects, not only in products but also in service, see that you are able to maintain your wow or at least 1.5 times to 2 times wow. This is the secret of success if you want to be really creative and really successful post-corona. Folks, this is what I wanted to share my ideas about what creativity is, and I wanted to share some tools as to how one can be creative. Let me just summarize as what we discussed when we started. So for people who joined us late, we started today's discussion by saying that life will be totally different. The BC which was before Christ will no longer be before Christ, it will be before Corona, and there will be something which is after Corona. And if we have to survive, we said that there are 2 things. One is the social distancing, and second thing, which is the must which you and me should have, is we have to be creative. And then we define what creativity is. Creativity again is the ability to generate multiple solutions to a problem. Creativity is the ability to generate multiple solutions to the problem, and the person who is able to generate more solution is more creative than the others. Then we said that there are 4 myths about creativity. Creativity should not be. अपने खानदान में आप पहला आदमी हो सकते हैं जो क्रिएटिव है. Creativity is not costly, it is a जुगाड़, 2-5 पैसे में भी हो सकता है. The third thing is that creativity is not for the so-called highly intellectuals or so-called highly experienced people. It is for the R.K. Lakshman's common man. It is for you and me. Creativity is for everyone in the society. And last, creativity is not only for products, but it is also for services. And then we discussed a lot of tools by which you and me can become more creative. The first tool we discussed saying that the right brain which we leave back as we grow, 100% मार्क्स चाहिए, फर्स्ट चाहिए, इसमें अपन जो टीचर बोलेंगे वही आंसर्स देते हैं, तभी मार्क मिलते हैं. We don't even look for alternative solution. This is so आपका right brain, the brain which has all the colors, all the drawings, all the poems, all the songs, all the music, वो brain आपको activate रखना जरूरी है. Second point we discussed was meditation. खुद के लिए 10 मिनट दोस्तों, आप 10 मिनट खुद के लिए दे दो, you will be a miraculous creative person, because creativity is directly proportional to the time you meditate. Don't be childish, be childlike. जो कुछ बच्चा करता है आप करते जाइए. चाइल्डिश होना जरूरी नहीं. अखड़ है या माझे आता सटकली तर घरी जावा. It's not like that. You don't have to be arrogant, or you have to be childlike and not childish. The next thing, see if you can do things differently, sir. It is very important that can we do things differently, sir? Can we think out of the box? कल तक ये मैं नहीं करता था, आज मैं कर पाऊंगा क्या? Let me give it a try. Travel a lot, watch advertisement. The cheapest and the easiest way to think out of the block is advertisement. देखिए दोस्तों, because advertisement, like, they have these punchlines, आह से आह तक, right? कुछ तो मीठा हो जाए, याद आ गया? The Amul gives you every week a brilliant advertisement, and if you see these advertisements, you will really love that. What a kind of creativity they had. And it is so relevant to the topic of the day. And coming back to the next point is where we discussed 2 or 3 more tools, which one tool was think of alternate. आज के बाद कचरा में कुछ नहीं फेंकने का सर. कचरा में फेंकने के पहले we will think, can I use it for something else, sir? ये ट्रैश से मैं कुछ क्रिएटिव कर सकता हूं. अगर आपके पास मैगजीन्स भी है ना जुने, उसमें से कट सम पोस्टर्स, कट सम थिंग्स एंड मेक अ कोलाज ऑफ समथिंग एंड दिस. ये कुछ तो करिए और फिर उसको फेंक दीजिए सर. सी इफ यू कैन डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव आउट ऑफ द वेस्ट. Not so difficult, sir. You don't need something great equipment or great resources to do it. You could do it with whatever you have. And then there's a wonderful tool called remote association. अगर आप कोई 3 कैरेक्टर्स है या कि अलग अलग चीजें हैं, think for one pivot which will really bind all those 3 things together. And then was the cube thing. Like there were pictures over there, so many pictures, and can we weave a story? And remember, sir, a cube, 6 pictures into 5 cubes or 9 cubes, so many different stories. You will never get exhausted if you want to write a story or a blog. And every time when you change the permutation and combination, you will definitely come up with a new storyline, right? And the last thing, sir, my humble request to all of you, sir, if you and me have to survive the post corona effect, अगर you came to this session with some expectations कि ये creativity का section है, session है, out of box section है, and I came with some expectations. If, friends, I have met your expectations, or even if I have exceeded your expectation, I will love to have a simple yes in the chat box. It will be a great thing for me, sir. But had I not done, I would also like to have, no sir, whatever expectations I had, maybe I could not deliver the way I would like to. So a great, if you could, the wow, was I able to give you the wow which I'm advocating that one should do it? Lastly, I would like to end with one thing, that आज के बाद जैसे पंचलाइन होती है कि कुछ तो मीठा हो जाए. I have a punchline which you all should carry back, and that punchline is, आज कुछ अलग करते हैं. आज ही नहीं, आज के बाद हर रोज, आज के बाद हर रोज कुछ अलग करते हैं. हाँ दोस्तों, this is what I wanted to share with you on this topic of creativity and out of box thinking. On behalf of me and my wife Meghana, I'd like to thank Pratik and Grant, Pratik and people from Grant for giving me this wonderful opportunity for my first experience to be on live Facebook. I hope this would have meant something and this would have changed something in you. एक चीज कैरी कीजिए सर, बाकी सब आप भूल भी गए तो भी चलेगा. आज के बाद कुछ अलग करते हैं. आज के बाद कुछ अलग करते हैं. We have about 5 more minutes. I would love to take questions if any you have. If any you have, or if not, please ये जो लॉकडाउन का टाइम है, don't allow it to go waste. Pick up a skill and do something, and creativity is one of the skill which you can easily pick up. आज के बाद कुछ अलग करते हैं ये कह के, I would like to sign off today on this Facebook Live. Please stay healthy, please smile, please take lots of good care, and let's pray that this lockdown and this virus problem gets away from us as fast as possible. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Enjoy. Thank you. See you soon. Thank you very much.